So let's open the package, and before that, let's actually read the box. So on the back, it says it's a simple setup, plug it in directly to your TV. It includes long range wireless receiver, which is this right here. And it also comes with the free Roku mobile app, so you can use your phone if you ever lose your remote or you're on the couch and you don't feel like getting up to get the remote. It says it's portable, so that means like if you were to go out of town or if you were to go to a hotel, you can just take the little Roku stick with it and you should be able to hook it up to the TV that's there. It says it has a search across top channels, exceptional wireless, free TV. What I'm really looking forward to is the free TV, because I usually use my computer or my phone for my Netflix and my Hulu, but I really want to watch TV shows, and sometimes on YouTube they get taken off because of copyright. Or if you go online, like sometimes I like to watch The Real Housewives of Atlanta. I go online to Bravo TV. They want you to hook up to your internet provider, to your cable provider, and I don't have a cable provider because I'm not using cable. It's too much. It's way too much. So let's go ahead and open this box up. Okay, so got the top open and trying to pull it out. Okay, so the box is empty. On the very top, I already see the Roku stick. So I'm just gonna pop that out. And that's all that's in there, is the Roku stick. I can already tell the Roku stick connects right to the TV because it is that HDMI port. It's shaped just like the HDMI port. And then on the side, it has another opening. I'm almost sure that opening is for that simple setup that it says right there. So let's see what else we have in here. Okay, it came very, very nicely packaged, all in a row, not just thrown in a box. It's completely in there and it's very nice. So it has batteries, which I'm sure goes to the remote. So I'm gonna take the remote out, open it up if I can. There we go. I'm gonna put the batteries inside the remote. I honestly probably will use the Roku app, but for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna use the remote. Let me go in. Okay, so once the batteries are in, a blinking light turns on, so I guess that's how you know it's working. On the front of the remote, it has the power button. It has up and down, side to side, the volume, search button, rewind, forward, pause, play, and it also has ESPN, Sling, Netflix, and Hulu already on there, and a home menu button. And of course at the top is the power button. And on the very side, it has the volume, up, down, and mute. I was actually wondering what those buttons were because I'm like, sometimes you need to turn it down or turn it up. Okay. So next thing, I have a cable box. The cord. And another power cord. So I'm gonna slide off this first one. It also has a user's manual, but honestly I probably won't even open it and use it because I feel like I can figure it out. First, USB cable. It has this smaller end and it'll go into the Roku. Just like that. And then you hook this up into your TV, and either you can hook this port up to your TV or you can hook it up to the other extension piece USB they gave you, which connects to another end, and then connect it to this, and then stick it in the wall. So let's go hook all this up on my TV and go from there. Okay, so it's plugged up. The Roku is plugged up. The light on the Roku is on. Okay, so my TV is off. I'm going to power it on. I'm gonna change the signal on my remote. I don't know what source input it is, honestly. Okay, so I put it on HDMI 1 because that's what I'm hooked up to. On the back, if you're hooked up to HDMI 2 or 3, make sure you log in with that. I'm going to turn on my Roku remote. Hit OK. Looking for wireless networks. I'll probably have to enter my wireless router, and it did pop up under True Time. You see that other one is, someone put that in there, freaking idiot. So let me put in my password and I'll be right back. Okay, once your password is in, you go ahead and you enter it. Okay, so I don't know how long the process is gonna take. So far this process is super easy. All I did was hook up the HDMI cord to the TV, to the wall, and put it on HDMI 1. Put in my password for my internet, and now it's processing, giving me all the updated software that I need. So I have to go to my computer, enter this, and then come back. I inputted all the information that was on there. I inputted all this information on my phone, and now I have to actually create a Roku account. So go ahead and do that right after. It asked me to put in a card number, and now it's on this.